This is what you have to do. Go to your Launchpad and find QuickTime Real Player. Then up here where it says File, click New Audio. This is where you're going to record the directions. Students, this is what you're going to be doing, blah, blah, blah. Then you'll hit close it out, title it, student, whatever you want to title it. I save it to my desktop so I can find it quickly. Then here it is, student directions. So if you right click on this or open it up, students, this is what you're going to be doing. Go into iTunes and you want to make sure you add that to the library. Okay. If this doesn't come up, then just simply go down here to iTunes, cancel, iTunes, and there it is right here. So if it's not in your library or doesn't go to your library, make sure you click it. So when it sticks up like that, that means it's highlighted. So you want to click this, go up here to File, and hit Convert, and it has to be this WAV version. Okay, so when you hear that noise, that means it has done that. So now you go back and say I'm going to add it to this piece in my Google Classroom. Then I would go here to Insert Audio. Well, before you do that, you have to, skip the step. You have to go to your Google Classroom and upload that first. So just say File, Upload. And then it was on your desktop. Actually, you're going to say, what did I call it? Student direction. Okay, and you want to pick the one that has the WAV. It has to be this one. So you click that one, and then it'll come to your drive. Okay, after you go to your drive, find it. So I usually just do recent, and there it is. Now you have to make sure that when you share it, that you click, I like to always click on anyone with the link can see this. That way nobody's asking me for permission. Okay, so then you say done. Now you go into wherever you want to put it and you go Insert Audio. And then here it is. You click Select, and then this little microphone comes up, and the kids just click on it, and it's your directions. Students, this is what you're going to be doing. It's a lot of steps, but that's how I do it. Maybe there's a different way, but that's how Ashley taught me. All right, that's it. Hope that helps.